Hey guys, I just wanted to show you the assignment checkoff list. Now, this is how you get credit for homework. Um, I've sent it out with the link in the email if you got that. So let's go over this real quick. If you're wondering where this is, the easiest place to find it is in Google Classroom. You can also find a link on School Loop, but it's a little bit more hidden. What I suggest is you sign up to our Google Classroom, whether you're in period 3, 4, or 5. And then rather than looking at the stream, which just shows you everything I've posted, you're going to go to classwork. This is the most organized place because at the very top, it shows you check off list and links. This is what you need to submit to me by Friday or by the weekend. And this is what I'm going to check to give you credit for your homework. Below that, what's nifty is you also have the homework answers. So I've posted up the answers for D54. And also, if you look down, it'll show you a list of the homework as well. Again, you can check School Loop for this, but I feel like Google Classroom is the easiest place to check, especially if you go to the classwork tab. All right. So let's find where the link is. Oh, it's right over here. Oh, look, here's a link to the video meetup, which you can see me at 9 o'clock or between 9 and 9:45 every Tuesday and Thursday. And here's the link to the checkoff list. So we're going to click there. And what you're going to get is you're going to get this screen. So what you're going to need to do is put your first name. I'm going to put Mr., my last name, Lee, and choose your period. 3, 4, 5. I'm going to pretend I'm in period 3. So if you finish the assignments on Tuesday, or what you have are 3 mandatory assignments on Tuesday. Let's take a look at the first one or the second one. In this video, we're going to find out how to find the area. In this video, or in this assignment, I just need to watch this video. And if you have the foldable notes, you can fill those out. If you don't worry about it. You can just write on a piece of paper and just work through it or just kind of watch. Now, once I finish watching that video, I click on this. The other one, I watch this video. And once I finish watching this video, I click that off. I check that off. The Pizzazz worksheet, I need to complete the Pizzazz worksheet. Once I complete that, it's page 1 in your packet. You check that off. Now, Tuesday is interesting because it has 2 extra bonus like exit questions, which you have to answer. And once you answer those, a quadrilateral is a 4-sided figure shape. Or figure. Below that is a thing called extra practice and helpful videos. Now, this is not something you have to do. You don't have to check any of these. These are just kind of bonus. It helps you answer questions. If you're still kind of confused, you can do the textbook, explore activity. You can watch this video, which is actually, look for the videos that say homework tutorial because those are kind of nifty because it's a video of me or it's a video of one of your teachers actually just solving or working through homework problems. So that can be really helpful. And if you want, you can check it off. You don't really have to. Once I'm done, it's going to be really important that you go all the way to the bottom and you press this button. It says submit. And once you do that, it says your response has been recorded and you can edit your response later. But let's say I close it out. It's Wednesday. Let's pretend it's the next day. I finish some more assignments. You're going to go to Google Classroom. Go to the assignment checkoff list again and scroll to the bottom. I'm going to click right there. And it says, oh, wait, I've already responded. But it's okay. That's a good thing. That means I have your response. If you don't see this, that means if you don't press submit, I'm not going to have your response. You're not going to get any credit. So this is a good thing. What you're going to do is you're going to click on edit your response. And look, my name is there. The period is still there. If I accidentally put the wrong period, I could fix it. All my answers are still there. Wednesday. All right. Let's pretend I already finished the video on Wednesday and I finished the worksheet. I didn't need to do any of the extra stuff. And let's pretend that I got ahead. I watched this video and I completed this assignment because I was bored at home. I can check those off as well. On Friday, you're going to have a quizzes, so you can't check this off until you finish the quiz but it's right there for you to check off. But once I do that, I press submit. And again, my response has been recorded. Your name should show up on my list. So make sure that you do this and that you submit it. because if you don't, you won't get homework credit even if you've been doing it all at home. All right. Now, if you do it late, don't worry. I'm going to give you guys, I'm going to be patient. Well, I'm going to give you guys just some grace because it's been kind of a weird week, but hopefully by next week or by the second week, you guys should all be really comfortable with this. All right. I'll see you later.